Okay, so what is the Sorbo Cobra flipper? So this is from Sorbo here. So this is a pad that is basically going to be able to attach to Cobra channel and go back and forth like this. So it has that pivoting action, so you can wash the window, flip it back over, and squeegee the window. So next, talk about these clips. So these clips are made out of hardened steel, so very, very well made. And this is what is going to hold the rod for holding the pad so that you can use it while using the squeegee. So you get those two pieces, and you also get this rod with these ends that come off as well, just like so. Okay, let me show you how you put it together. Here's what I suggest doing. Also, I suggest paying attention to the directions that you were given when you get the Cobra flipper on how to install it the best way possible. Here's what I would say to do. Take off one of your ends of your rod here, right? You're going to insert it into that right there. Pretty common sense as far as this stuff goes. Get it all the way through. Okay, so we have the rod all the way through all three of those loops. I'm actually going to put this black piece back on, and then what I'm going to do, so the flipper is going like this, right? So we are going to attach the clips like so. What we're going to do, you can do this now, you can do this later, put the clips all the way towards the end here. Because basically what you want to have it, you want to have it tight so that this thing isn't moving back and forth when you're using it. Same thing with the other side. Put it right there next to the loop. Now, to get them on the channel, what you're going to do is you're going to let one lip, it's kind of hard to do this like this, but you're going to have one lip sit inside it, and then you're going to push on the Sorbo, and you're going to push on the Sorbo logo to get it to engage into the channel. It is pretty tight, so you do have to push with a pretty good effort just to get it in there. Well, the other side, remember trying to keep it close to that loop. And just push in. So I brought that to my stomach a little bit, but just pushing in on that logo. And then so basically we have these pushed out pretty far. This could go just a little bit further this way. We'll move it just a little bit. But get the idea there. Flipper, just like that. And that's how it's going to flip back over. Once it's wet, it's going to sit a little bit more nicely. But now what I'm going to do is try it on the glass. But that is the Sorbo Cobra flipper.